Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The forthcoming flagship model, the 2025 Tiffin High Class Motorcoach, is set to revolutionize comfort and luxury in the RV market. This vehicle, which is a conceptual sample, promises to combine Tiffin's well-known dependability and craftsmanship with a number of innovative innovations that will raise the standard of travel to a whole new level. This ultimate review examines the features that really set this motorcoach apart. It is anticipated that the 2025 Tiffin High Class Motorcoach would have a sleek, contemporary exterior that is both aerodynamically effective and aesthetically beautiful. Its design will probably have chrome accents, full-body paint, and smooth lines for a refined, upscale appearance. A sturdy, specially designed chassis will support the motorcoach, guaranteeing a steady and comfortable ride. On a range of road surfaces, the suspension system, possibly an advanced air riding system with automated leveling, will offer a peaceful and comfortable ride. A high-performance diesel engine with plenty of horsepower and torque for effortless mountain climbing and towing is probably the powerplant. The interior of the Tiffin High Class Motorcoach is an exquisite example of craftsmanship and design. With several slide-outs to offer a genuinely large living area while parked, the floor concept should be open and roomy. The use of upscale materials, such as handcrafted wooden cabinetry, polished porcelain tile flooring, and plush leather upholstery, will showcase Tiffin's distinctive attention to detail. A calm and sophisticated ambience will be created by the color scheme, which will be contemporary and welcoming, facing a cutting-edge entertainment center with a widescreen smart TV, a top-notch sound system, and a warm fireplace. The living space will have a huge, comfortable sofa and recliners. With its huge residential-style refrigerator, solid surface countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances, the kitchen will be a chef's paradise. A nicely designed table that seats 4 people will be in the dining area, making it ideal for hosting dinner parties. The master bedroom will be a peaceful haven of relaxation. It will have a separate entertainment system, a huge wardrobe with a cedar-lined closet, and a king-sized bed with a memory foam mattress. With 2 vanities, a high-efficiency toilet, and a large glass-enclosed shower, the en-suite bathroom will feel like a spa. A calm and restorative environment will be created by the simple, basic design. Leading the way in motorhome technology will be the 2025 Tiffin High Class Motorcoach. It will have a complete smart home automation system that enables one touchscreen or mobile device to handle the lights, climate, entertainment, and security. To enable prolonged off-grid life, the motorcoach will also feature a powerful solar power system, a sizable lithium battery bank, and an innovative water filtering system. Driving this big car will be safer and less stressful with driver support features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and a 360-degree video system. In conclusion, the 2025 Tiffin High Class Motorcoach is expected to be a remarkable automobile that raises the bar for opulent travel. For those who want the best in a house on wheels, it provides a first-class experience with its elegant design, upscale facilities, and cutting-edge technology.